Okay, so let's try to document all the damage on the road here. There's the office. Where I think north is that way, so this is the west side of the office. We have this, and then we got all this cracked stuff here. We're in front of 3204. It's all cracked here. We got some cracks here in the parking right here at 3206. It's just kind of aged. Cracking here. Cracking. Now I'm kind of in between 304, both ends of 204, sorry. Cracking. I'm not even at the end of the 3206 yet. So then a whole spider web of stuff. Okay, so there's the walkway. Here's 3204. Doesn't look too bad here. Here's a patch. Got a crack. There's a hole there, and this kind of crumbles, and then it really gets bad here. You can see that. Same thing on this side. And now we're on the edge there. And there's just long spider cracks in here. There's a rough area over there. This doesn't look that bad, this lot. There's Felix working on putting in a hose bib on that building. Okay, some more. Okay, now look where I'm at. Some more spider web crap. Yeah, it's pretty bad down here. This actually doesn't look bad. Okay, I'm in front of 3204 here. Just a little bit, little cracks, little crack there. Oh yeah, more cracks here, right in front, 3204. Cracks here, right in front of the handicaps, 3204. Yeah, and then it stops, and then see right here in the corner between 3204 and 32414, we got kind of a drip, a drop, little shit storm here. Messy. Oh yeah, this is really bad here. Really bad in here. The other side of the parking lot doesn't look too bad. So pavement all jacked up here right in front of 3214. Spider webs here. That side of parking doesn't look too bad. Oh, here. Okay, now I'm now, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parking spots from the 3214 entrance, 57 through 64. It's kind of all messed up, spidery here. I saw some corners crumble. Oh yeah, that's not okay. Weird now. Okay, this is where the little dog corner is. Look at how bad that is. Really bad. Now I'm in front of 3214. Really bad here, right at the entrance. Hope it's showing up. Now this, spider webs here, right in front of the trash can. This is bad. It's bad stuff. Okay. A little bad there. One line. Over here. on the side of this building here. This is the one you see as you enter the property. Okay, this is all veiny here. Then, oh yeah, it keeps going. So I'm in front of 3210. That's 3210 there. And then more veins, but it kind of ends here. It doesn't. And, oh, there's some veins right there. Might be okay with that. And then here's a trough from a pipe that was put in. And this is, I'm in front of, well, I'm at the corner of 3209 right here. This is the dumpster. But anyway, oh, I'll show you the front of Juan's, the office. It needs help too. Sorry, this here, we got a hole here. I think there was another one somewhere. Needs to be filled. So right in front of the office, there's a like a low spot that goes all the way the length of the parking, and that needs to be replaced or redone. It's not too bad, but still